Hello, this is Raymond Fu from EMS Now at Nepcon Shenzhen. Today I'm joined by Josephine Lee. She is the Senior Vice President of REIT Exhibitions in China. And on my furthest left is Mr. Thomas Huang. He is the Assistant Vice President of REIT Exhibition in China. Welcome.
Thank you, Raymond.
Josephine, maybe we can start off. Can you give us a little bit of history of Nepcon here in China?
Okay. Nepcon is a very established brand specialized in electronics manufacturing sectors. And the show in Shanghai has been running for 25 years. In fact, the last editions was of 26 editions. And this year, Shenzhen is also almost like 22nd edition.
Right.
So it's the longest and longest serving exhibitions, one of the longest serving exhibitions in China.
What are the changes that you have seen over the years and how the electronics manufacturing industry has changed in the last 20 years?
It has changed a lot. When we first started, a lot of Nepcon was started more as just an SMT-focused event. Even though still is an SMT-focused event,
right.
But the show has also got a lot more other products like the electronics manufacturing automation equipment.
Right.
We also have assembly equipment. We have the ESD. We have the LED manufacturing back in Shanghai. So the show has revolved around what electronics manufacturing need in China.
Right.
Yeah, all the technology products and peripherals equipment.
Right, and for this particular show, Nepcon Shenzhen, could you give us some of the highlights, including some of the conferences that are going on around us?
This is the biggest ever Nepcon Shenzhen,
right.
Nepcon South China. The show occupied 38,000 square meters gross, Hall 1 and Hall 2. And besides the SMTA conference that we usually work with SMTA USA together,
right.
We also have the new conference running alongside on automotive electronic manufacturing, organized by Society of Automotive Engineers from US,
right.
Which is a major conference in the global calendar,
right.
with the objective to bring in the automotive engineers to the show. So this is one to highlight. And in Hall 2, as you can see, there are a lot more automated equipment, factory automation and automated tools to actually help our visitors to enhance their capacity and competitiveness. As you know, as China going more and more towards advanced manufacturing, I would say more advanced manufacturing, not just about volume.
Right.
They need more higher quality products. They need more consistency. They need better quality control. So all these automated equipment, automation solutions will be very important for them.
Right, and also there has been a lot of talk about manufacturing moving into the middle part of West China, and just attended Nepcon Chengdu is a show that is growing in strength year after year. Can you tell us a little bit more about Nepcon in West China as well?
Yes, absolutely. That is it's an event that a lot of us in our team was very happy with the result. The show was first launched 2 years ago in 2010, if I'm not mistaken. 2010. Yeah,
okay. First
event. At that time, as you know, 2 years ago, the mid and Western China is still not that much developed yet. And in the last 2 years, there's a lot of development. Yeah. Spearheading by a number of very big subcontractors going in there to set up their plants, like Foxconn going there. And with that, I think the market has developed quite a bit. The show has doubled in size,
right?
Yeah, compared with the event 2 years ago. And we had a record-breaking number of attendees. The number of visitors have been double the number of visitors that we had in 2010. So with about 3,000 over visitors. And even though the market is still small,
right.
But a lot of our exhibitors and even our team, they're very optimistic about the development. And I think as the Eastern China market and the Southern China market become more mature, established, and competitive, a number of big players have already chosen to expand the market coverage by moving part of the manufacturing capacity to the western and mid China. That's where Chongqing, Chengdu has been a natural choice.
Talking about markets, what are the particularities of the market if you compare South China to perhaps Shanghai, Suzhou area? Like what are the differences, the main differences?
I think the main differences is we're taking the universe as the comparison. In terms of number of companies, electronic manufacturers, in South China, definitely there are more in numbers. But if you're taking Eastern China, you're taking numbers as comparison, they're lesser in numbers. But the scale is a lot bigger. And also the products that they manufacture is very different. In Southern China, it's very much dominated by mobile phone, notebook, yeah? And in the Eastern China, it's very much spearheaded by automotive
industry,
semiconductor industry.
Right.
So with the differentiation in the industry that is focused, the kind of equipment and the interest and the behavior of the visitors are very different. And that's the reason why a lot of our customers need two different platforms to meet these two different groups of customers.
Okay, so looking ahead, what has REIT planned for future shows, for future Nepcons in China? Do you have anything planned so far? Like I think next show will be again in Nepcon in Shanghai.
Yes, you are right. Yeah, I think for us it's very important. As actually it's one of our mandate for REIT exhibition is to whatever we plan, we need to add value to our customers. Yeah. So for us, right now we are putting in a lot of efforts in enhancing our value to our exhibitors who have already been with us for many years at Nepcon Shanghai and Shenzhen.
Right.
So for Nepcon Shanghai next year, we will be adding in a new segment under Nepcon, LED manufacturing, to help our exhibitors, our current exhibitors, to meet more visitors from the LED manufacturing, which is one of the key drivers in the electronic manufacturing. And on top of that, of course, in Shenzhen, this year we already have a small pavilion in Hall 2 in the electronic manufacturing automation.
Right.
And next year, it will put in more efforts to make it even bigger.
So as the cost of labor increases in China, there would be automatically more automation involved in the electronics manufacturing process.
Absolutely, absolutely. So for us, our priority is to strengthen our current events by adding in more value, by bringing new group of visitors, and that's very important. Because as you know, SMT equipment are also going into different areas.
Right.
In the past, it's very much focusing on consumer electronics, and right now LED, and they also need more automation. EMS need more automation, and that's why the automation segment came into the picture. And besides the exhibitions, we are also organizing some networking events, roadshows, helping our exhibitors to penetrate other markets that are not covering by the current Nepcon events. For example, like Wuhan, we have done Wuhan a few years back.
And I believe that there was a Bohai show or something like that.
Yes,
or
right.
was it in Tianjin?
Correct. Correct. So we turned that into a networking event.
Right.
So to help our exhibitors to have a more intensive networking activities on top of a major event like this. Besides roadshow, we also have e-platform and the other marketing solutions to help our current exhibitors to expand and provide a more cost-effective way for them to get connected with the customers.
Right. So I guess the important part is you have the exhibitors, but it's important to get the manufacturers to attend the show. So I guess those are the attractions for them.
Yes,
The ability to network, to listen to conferences, and a lot of other events concurrent
Yes, right.
with the show.
Yes, right. Absolutely, you're right.
So before we wrap up, is there anything you would like to add?
First of all, if you have not visited Nepcon South China, please come. The show lasts for 3 days, and the last day is 31st of August. And I will look forward to see all our visitors who have been viewing this video right now. Come to Shanghai. Next event is in April 23rd to 25th at the Shanghai World Expo venue. Thank you very much and welcome all.
Thank you very much, Joseph.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Thomas. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.